Is a wife entitled to her husband's pension if they separate, and if so, how much? Let's uncover the answer and the reasoning behind it. You could be entitled to a portion of your ex-spouse's pension if you get divorced. A pension is considered a matrimonial asset that must be taken into account when dividing assets and finances. One of the reasons you may be entitled to a portion of your husband's pension is if you sacrificed your own career during the marriage, particularly as a stay-at-home mum who looked after the children while your husband advanced his career. However, it's important to note that this entitlement applies both ways, meaning a stay-at-home dad could also be entitled to his wife's pension in a divorce. The length of the marriage is one factor that's considered when determining the pension split. If the couple was married for a significant period, a 50-50 split may be deemed the fairest outcome. However, every case is unique and it's crucial to consult with legal professionals who can guide you through this process. When it comes to pensions, the formal process is called pension sharing. It involves obtaining a pension sharing order, a PSO, from the court. The person receiving the other party's pension will then need to make arrangements to own a percentage of the pension that they've been attributed. This may involve signing up with the same pension provider or transferring their portion to a different provider. Once the divorcing couple agrees on how assets and finances will be divided, the agreement is put into writing in a financial statement. However, in England and Wales, the settlement alone isn't legally binding and doesn't ensure a clean break. To solidify the agreement, a consent order must follow. A consent order relays the agreed upon information and is signed by a judge, who determines if the agreement is fair to both parties. If you live in England and Wales and get divorced without a consent order, then an ex can still claim a portion of your pension even after the divorce is finalised. There's a well-known case where an ex-wife successfully claimed a significant sum of money from her ex-husband 23 years after the divorce. This occurred because the ex-husband had become extremely successful and wealthy, and the ex-wife won a case in the Supreme Court, resulting in a life-changing sum of money. Even with the most amicable of divorces, it can still be worthwhile to consult with a solicitor for expert advice on how to proceed. These days, there's many online solicitors that can work out cheaper and easier than meeting in person. JustAnswer, for example, only costs £5 for a trial, which could be far less than a traditional in-person appointment. One of my colleagues used their service and saved over £270 on an outstanding parking ticket. I've linked that offer in the description below, and if you use that, you'll also be supporting Money Nerd, so thank you.